Unit 1, Plant Life. Chapter 1, Green Plants, the Food Factory. New to know. Parts of a leaf. Functions of a leaf. How do plants make their food? Some unusual plants. Interdependence among plants and animals. Plants make our earth green and beautiful. Leaves are the green part of the plant. They are called food factory because they can prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. They are able to do so because of the presence of a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that imparts green color to the leaf. Different plants have different shapes and sizes of leaves. Parts of a leaf. The flat part of a leaf is called the leaf blade. The tip of a leaf is called the leaf apex. A leaf has thick main vein in the middle which gives off very fine side veins. The main vein works in two ways. In one way, they carry water and minerals from the roots to the leaf, and in another way, they carry prepared food from the leaf to all parts of the plant. Know your scientist. Jan Ingenhousz was a British scientist who discovered the process of photosynthesis by which green plants prepare their food in presence of sunlight. Add-ons. Some plants like lotus have outer waxy coating called cuticle on leaf which protects the leaf. If you see the underside of the leaf through hand lens, you will see tiny pores called stomata. Plants breathe through these pores. Functions of a leaf. The main function of leaf is to prepare food for a plant. Leaves give out oxygen which human beings and animals need to stay alive. In some plants like cactus, leaves are reduced to spines which prevent the loss of water. How do plants make their food? Plants can make their own food. Let's find out how. Plants take in carbon dioxide from air around it through stomata. Water is absorbed from the soil through roots. The chlorophyll present in leaves traps the sunlight. All these are used by the leaf to prepare food for the plant. This process of making food in plants using sunlight, carbon dioxide, gas and water is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Wonder box. Flowers such as lily, rose, jasmine and lavender are used to make perfume. Many people suffer an allergic reaction from perfume and it may cause rashes and headache to them. Add-ons. Extra food made by a plant during photosynthesis is stored as carbohydrates, oils and proteins. The food prepared by a leaf is called sugar. A plant uses its some amount to carry out its life processes, while the rest of the food is stored in roots, stem, leaves, fruits, and flowers as starch. This extra food is eaten by humans and animals. Some unusual plants. Some plants like mushroom and molds are non-green. They do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot make their own food. They get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Leaves of croton plant have different colored patch. Only green part of such leaves performs photosynthesis. Leaves of cactus plant are reduced to spines. Its green stem makes food for the plant. Interdependence among plants and animals. Plants and animals cannot live without each other. How? Animals need oxygen to breathe and food to eat, which they get from plants. On the other hand, plants need carbon dioxide to prepare their food, which they get from animals. Subject Connect. Earth is the only planet we know that has life. Earth Day is an annual event celebrated around the world on 22nd April. Celebrate this day by holding discussion, speech contests, slogan and art competitions. Final learnings. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that imparts green color to the leaf. Leaf blade, leaf apex, main vein and side veins are different parts of a leaf. The process of making food in plants using sunlight, carbon dioxide, gas and water is called photosynthesis. Plants and animals cannot live without each other.